Anthony is here. My man came from all the way from upstate New York, Kingston. Anthony, what up, man? Come on, let's go. Let's go have some coffee, kid. Dude, I already had some coffees before. What?
What's going on,
What's up, man? We fucking finally got to meet, kid. What's up, buddy? Nice to meet you, man. Yo, man, thank you, bro. You don't have to do that, dude.
I don't go anywhere empty-handed, man.
Good stuff, man. All right, bro. So, Pat, look, we almost went to Anthony's house on the way back home from upstate. But he brought us a bottle. You don't have to do that, bro.
I don't go anywhere empty-handed, man.
All right, bro. We already had unboxed the kid, but guess what?
Oh, man.
Happy to see you, ReedCase, kid. And then this is all. Let me know if you need help. We can put the clutch springs on now. These black springs, Bartolone said, take it out, throw it out in the garbage. Put the red one on. And you can also get 9500s if you want. So, but definitely start out with this. Let's see what happens. Look at that, huh? Yeah, and he threw in the lightened clutch bell carrier. Yeah.
Sweet. Dude.
Probably want to put your spark plug in there. Put that spark plug up in there so you don't get nothing, no dirt going that cylinder.
Perfect.
And that's it, man.
Oh, man, I'm excited.
Then you start breaking her in. Look at that. Nice ReedCase. Got a modified 990 carb.
Perfect, man.
That's the same carb I'm using. If you want, you can put your 1107 if you want. It's up to you. That's the same carb I'm using on my drag Baja.
Perfect.
All right, so another thing that you gotta know is, all right, so this is your second gas? Your first gas? All right, so you know how to put clutches?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Some guys are doing the RB Innovations clutch fan, the cooling fan, right? That helps cool the clutch down. That's up to you if you want to do it or not. So you want to put this on here, right? You want to torque this down to 80 inch-pounds.
Okay.
Blue Loctite here, bro. Put it here. You torque that down. If you use your RB Innovations fan, then 80 inch as well. Same thing. So you torque this down. Do not use a piston stop tool.
Okay.
Don't. You could potentially damage that piston, all right? You want to remove this. You want to remove these four. Comes out. And you get that Bartolone clutch tool.
Okay.
And fan tool. That locks the fan, your flywheel. All right, that one. Once you secure that, or have a friend hold it, or one guy could definitely do it. Then you can torque this down to 80 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, because you'll strip it, right? So that's it. So yeah, you do that. You put this guy. Right, you do that. Then you do these washers, which is like spacers, shims. Okay. Pretend they just, all right, oh, this is a spring one. You put the flat ones here.
Okay.
And then you get this hardware here. This is nice hardware that he threw, all this. Put your spring washers on there. See this?
Okay. It goes on there. Okay.
Right? You add those two. And then you put your clutch. You see the arrows? Face the arrows to you.
Okay.
See that? This, then your clutch.
Okay.
All right? And then those two. And then 80 inch-pounds as well.
Okay.
Simple, right?
Perfect.
All right, bro. You're set.
Perfect. I'm excited.
You guys want a coffee before you go, whatever?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Oh my God. Let's see. I've been eating a lot of steak lately. Let's see. All right, so usually when you get it to this point, you just get some channel locks.
And hit click.
Right? And you just squeeze, right?
$48. That big of a piece. Oh, did you pick the size that you wanted?
Any questions, kid?
No questions.
It's a lot of steak I've been eating, so. Oh, look at that. Huh?
Perfect.
Santa Cafe. Just, all right, so before you put this on, clean this with brake cleaner.
Okay.
Or Nitro Blast. And your clutch bell. The bell, clean it. Take all the oils out.
Perfect.
Otherwise, this shit will slip. For me touching it, you touching it, get rid of this. Some guys sand this, you know, so. You got that. Get her ready, buddy.
Perfect.
This here, I'm just going to throw in the garbage. There's a garbage. There's a fucking. These are weak as hell.
Perfect.
You got your spacers, you got your springs, you got your... Jeez, bro, I'm gonna be wired today, kid. We're going on my second coffee within the hour, kid. I got wrenching to do, so I don't care. I'm gonna be wrenching as much as I can. Alright, now, we over here with some serious Brat Brothers, kid. Alright? Man, yo, we've been talking, we have been conversating for a while, and without filming, but today, look, we're going at 1 o'clock. We started this unboxing, I think 10 a.m., 11 a.m. And I have done nothing yet. Just having a good time with everybody, you know? But one day, after all this event shit is over and all this work that we did, we all got to get together, you know? We'll go to my cousin's restaurant, we'll eat, hang out, chill, you know, we'll talk, whatever. Eat steak, kid. You know what I'm saying?
Finger roll with steak.
All right, let's do this, kid. Who wants some ready fucking... I feel like I had a couple of C4s. I didn't even drink C4 yet.
Oh, man.
Oh, I love those things.
Look at that. Look at that. When it floats, kid, it's floating, bro. That's when you know your shit is good, kid. It's still floating. Still floating, bro. What? Look at that shit. All right. What we got here? Damn. So I got, what? 2 more engines. Oh my God. I'm going to have 2 more Zach coffees. Because I got to have a coffee with everybody, you know? Soon I'm going to be like this, shaking this shit. Too bad you guys, we're not all neighbors. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
You guys missed the guys I just left here. If we were all fucking neighbors, dude, that would be awesome, kid. We were like fuck. Yeah, have a good one. Congratulations on your new engine, bro.
Thank you.
And you got a badass engine that people want.
Wow, this shit's good. Wow.
You feel the Zach coming on or no? Zah. Say it, Anthony.
Zach.
Zah. That's it. Go ahead. That's what I'm talking about, kid.
Good, man. Wow.
All right. We'll be having a good time with Anthony. All right, here we go. We got Mike in the house, kid. Come on in, kid. How are you, buddy? Brat brother Mike, kid. Man, dude, busy morning. Busy afternoon already, dude. Bro, this unboxing started at 10:30 a.m., dude. Look what we got here, kid. We got... Just kick him in his head, bro. Come on.
What's going on, Anthony?
This is Mike, the Brat brother. Now, these boys are from upstate New York, kid. Long trip, bro. You think you have a long trip from Suffolk County? Yeah. These guys have a long trip, right? So, Mike, you want an espresso?
I'm good.
Oh, thank God, bro. Thank God, because I was going to have one with you. I was going to have an espresso with everybody picking up their engines. And I'm going to take a little break from espressos. From Delta Zach Coffees. All right, so look at this. Zeneca Zach. So for those of you that know Mike, all right, he's got RC Max engines. He's got Bartolone engines. He's got OBR engines. He's got a bunch of engines. He also has modified Frankenstein ESP Bartolone engines. All right, now this guy right here, he don't need no more engines. But for some reason, somehow, he got himself a Zeneca Fair Drag Mod 34 ReedCase Bartolone racing engine. All right, so that just tells you something, people. All right, so, and he threw in the lightened clutch bell carrier.
Nice.
You got a modified 990 carb. You can put whatever carb you want, but this is the modified version of this. This is the one that I have on my Drag Baja.
I was thinking about putting this in the Baja, actually, but...
Oh, really?
I think it's going to go to the Primal.
Put in your Sportsman for now.
Yes.
Right? So my man is racing Drag Baja, Sportsman Primal Dragster, and Extreme Class Dragster. All right, so that's a busy man right there. You got the BR40 on your extreme class, correct?
Yes.
Zeneca fan. Let's see. Now look, you got this clutch. You can put whatever clutch you want, but he threw in this clutch.
Modified one.
He said, take this black clutch spring out, throw it in the garbage. Throw this or throw whatever clutch spring you like.
Okay.
I know you have many clutch springs to choose from.
That's 8,000.
That's 8,000, yep. And what else? What else? Yeah, and that's it. You got your spark plug. Take your spark plug out. And Zeneca fan. Mike's no joke over here. Oh, shit. You got to stick around for a bit because we got to unbox our bodies. We got some pit hydro dipping work from Tom. All right, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a separate video. All right, we got to do that now. What else? You guys got to ride over to... My man Anthony's going to be going over to Track Day Hobbies. He's going to be meeting up with Ray. He's going to be picking up a Glory Hole Velocity Stack kit from Track Day. And that's it. You guys want to check out downstairs that tool I was talking about? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Stock electronics.
Yes, I'm going to run stock primal electronics. I don't know if I'm going to relocate my fuel tank. So we have ReedCase engines, right? So you're going to have... You see these two holes?
Okay.
You're going to have to move this tank forward. And it'll fit. That's what I had to do 2 years ago. But I may just relocate this up there. I don't know. Or I like it the way it is. So I don't know. I'll see. I may just put it up forward like I had my Sportsman Dragster 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago. Make sure you clean the clutch bell good.
Okay, yeah.
You know? But, yo, you're not going to... Yeah, you're doing single speed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so make sure you see how that's oily.
Yeah.
They do that so it doesn't rust or whatever, but clean that good. Sand, if you... With a little sandpaper, Scotch-Brite, brake cleaner, clean that shit up good. And then don't forget clean that clutch too, that brand new clutch. And that's it. So yeah, you're ready to go. You have you have a simple build. It's up to you if you want to. This is light the way it is, but some people cut these off to make it lighter, whatever. It's up to you. But I've crashed mine and it's durable as fuck. So all this crap helps. But that's it. So, all right.
I'm gonna head out, go to the track.
Listen. Congratulations to you. Good luck to you. It was nice meeting you, man. It was nice meeting you guys. Yo, the next time I go upstate, man, maybe on the way back or the way up, we meet up.
Stop by.
Of
course.
Definitely. All right, Mike, you good?
Good.
All right. I think we got Eric outside, man. Fuck. This is my it's one of the accidents I had with this. This is the one I went through the fucking barricade. I don't know if you remember that. It actually made it through and went through the other side of the barricade. Yeah. This was with the Scott Finley 50 engine. So you guys have this engine here, right? Similar to this. This is not as good as yours, but it's right up there, right? All right, you feel that one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so then you have this guy here. You gotta eat some steak with this one. You see? Yeah, so that's the one that pushed my dragster through the barricade when I lost signal somehow. And this is what I also did last time. See, I wrapped it. This is that air duct insulation tape shit. So the less heat. Because your engine is here, it's gonna get hot. Yeah, whatever. See if it helps or whatever. But I had this here so it reflects some of the heat. I did all this shit too. I put these thicker brass fuel lines here. I'm not going to do it to this. Why? Because these guys are already big. The first Primal Dragsters came with skinny fuel lines. So I can always reuse this. I have everything set. I can put that tank on here, everything on there, and do this. But I'm going to use this because those fuel lines look pretty damn good in stock. That's it. Yeah. I didn't even run any fuel filters either. I ran it just like this. I'll put these in the bottom just to suck up the fuel, because the fuel tank that we have already has a fuel filter. So why have a fuel filter in there, But what people don't understand is the fuel filter that they give us is this one here. It's like a stone filter. You see this?
Yeah.
It's high flow. So guess what? This is gonna be my first drag car that I leave the damn fuel filter on. I'm gonna be running a fuel filter in my Sportsman Dragster. I don't have one in my Drag Baja. I don't have one in my other extreme class, but I'm going to have it on here. Because sometimes when you don't have the fuel filters, you can't get everything out. Like at the end of the day, depending on what fuel you run, if you run the Cam 2, you're gonna be fine. But if you have like high oxygenated shit or something else in there, or something mixed, or some nitro fuel mixed in with the fuel, or whatever the hell mix you're doing, you don't want that shit, exotic fuels, to stay in your fuel tank. You got to get rid of it. You got to take it out. You got to take it out. But all right, till next time. Congratulations to you guys. My man Anthony is excited to go home and wrench.
Can't wait.
Now Anthony doesn't have a pipe yet, so I'm gonna let him borrow my canister, the muffler, shitty mufflers pipes. That way it's less noise and he can start running. He's gonna run half to 3/4 of a gallon, or even 1 full gallon if he has time, through this before he tests and tunes next Sunday. All right, so he's gonna start breaking in his engine. He's gonna do some heat cycles with that. He's gonna get it ready so he can start beating on it next Sunday. He's going to have to adjust his 2-speed. He's going to have to adjust his carburetor. A bunch of stuff. But where the hell do I have it? Oh, it's over here. The fuck is it? Oh shit, you never seen the Primal Dragster? I hear you get talking about... I'm sorry, the Primal Monster Truck. Yeah, come over here and check it out if you want, bro. Yo, but you see the Max T is a lot of people don't know about that shit. Oh, so you're a first-time Primal Monster Truck looker.
Yeah. I was thinking about getting one.
Yeah. That'd be great for upstate, kid.
Oh, yeah.
I still haven't brought mine. I wanted to bring this guy upstate and do rock climbing, go through the creek, through the river there, and I haven't done it yet. You know, I should have had done it already, but now I'm waiting. Listen, we're working on a new thing, a new engine, bro. We got a new engine setup for this coming out. I will no longer be installing my 80cc Supreme in here. So stay tuned. We got some good news coming. Engine and pipe combo. None of this bullshit. None of this no pipe for over a year. None of that crap. So stay tuned. Anthony is still talking about that thing is fucking monstrous. He says, holy shit. All right, brother. So here, use this for now. Slap this guy on there. All right, let's see if we have the hardware. Yep, here we go. Shit, you may need to put a gasket on here. Does it have it? Fuck. Just clean that shit up good. Put a little RTV, whatever, just around that. Or just leave it on like this, but you may have a leak. Just clean it afterwards.
Perfect.
But that way you can start running your engine. Then once that pipe is available at Primal, get that shit, install that, and go over. Oh, you're going to need 1211 bond. Let me show you what that is.
Next weekend.
Have a safe trip. Yep.
Right,
I'll see you, buddies.
Take it easy. Hey, enjoy that wine, all right?
Thank you. I appreciate it so much.
Nice meeting you, bud.
Nice meeting you, too. See you guys.